NY Garage Doors. NY Garage Door is the #1 leading garage door repair and installation company in NY. We offer the best local service with same-day repairs and warranties offered for every single job. There is no reason to choose anyone else. Call us today at 800-661-5153. We can stop by today to help you out. We also offer many coupons on our website that you can use to save yourself some money. We offer residential, commercial services. We specialize in opener repair, installation and sales. We also offer torsion and extension string repair and installation. Call NY Garage Door today at 800-661-5153 for the best service in town. Garage door repair. Garage door replacement. Garage door string repair. Garage door opener installation. Call NY Garage Doors today at 800-661-5153.